Hey everyone, well, welcome to this video. It's September 25th, about 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and I just want to make this video mainly just to give a huge shout out to my members as well as review some of the trades we made this morning and profited on. Today was such an incredible day in the chat room. Look at these messages. I read this and I really did just about tear up, and it just put into perspective, just reminds me how grateful I am to be doing what I do, to really have an effect on people's lives and to help change their financial future. Reading this really touched me, and there was just so much good stuff happening in here. Let's read some more members, some more stuff that happened. This is on a buy. I alerted on IDIS over $3. It's nothing huge, I sold it for 12 cents of profit here, but other members sold it for a lot more. Reading these messages just really, it honestly touches my heart, and hearing this from you guys really just gives me so much excitement for what I do. Here, this message down here at the bottom, what a great team this is. I've never seen anything like it. We really do have an incredible team here in the KAF investing chat room, and that's because of the incredible members who are just show discipline, they show improvement, they show desire and willingness to learn, to let go of old habits. There's so many traders who think that they might be down 80% on their portfolio, but they think they know best and refuse to have discipline and to change. And that's not the case with these guys. These members are just incredible people. 9% on the portfolio just today only. This person's on their free trial still. Has the discipline to know and to cut it off. All these things. It's been incredible. Here's some more stuff here from more people. Oh, I think I was the same one, but you guys get the idea. Anyways, it's been awesome. I've loved it. I've loved working with you guys, and it really does it touches my heart. It's why I do what I do. So, anyways, let's look into the actual trades we made. The first trade, let's talk about IDIS and review it. This has been on our watch for a long time over this 270 level. We've been waiting for this ever since the initial big run up here a couple days ago, and it held its gains. It formed a bull flag, as you see. I've illustrated here an ascending wedge, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, and it finally broke over the 270 level, and we were on it. Let's break this down even a little closer to the 1 day, 1 minute level. I re-alerted this in the chat room to make sure everyone was ready for it as soon as I saw this big spike here. And so as soon as I saw this big spike, I said buy over 270, and then I said wait. Volume's actually really bad on it. Don't buy it over 270. You see here volume is really bad in these areas. But then here it came in a little bit more. And so then I re-alerted it, said, okay, it's safe now. I like it now. It's good now. Let's buy it over 270. So we did. Our first buy was over 270, and it was amazing. Let's go look over here. First buy was at 270 right here. In 271 out 283. Obviously it continued. I gave everyone heads up way ahead of time here. It ended up continuing. And then we rebought it again here on the break of 3 and sold it for another nice chunk here. And members profited on it. It was fantastic. It was a predictable pattern. So again, the pattern I used to buy this over, this is a wedge here. You see, it's the top of it is created by previous highs, and then you have this trend line of the price action staying in between that trend line. Now this actually broke out a little bit above. Usually what happens is this wedge will actually close all the way, meaning that this trend line continues until it meets up with this upper resistance. But this actually broke out early, and so it was still a great play. It was awesome. The other one I want to talk about is MRNS. This has been on our watch list. We talked about this all day on Friday. We talked about this 493 level for hours on Friday, waiting for it to break. You can see here on Friday, we're like, oh, it's going to break. Nope, we stuck with our plan, though. We stuck with the plan. We did not buy it unless it went over 493. We stuck with our plan. It sold back off. So we waited for this. We thought we might get another buy again in the end of day Friday, but we didn't. We were just waiting for an A-plus setup. We knew over 493 would be an A-plus setup. This is similar. Ascending wedge, you have the trend line, meets up with the upper resistance, and this one actually, if you were to continue this trend line, continue this upper resistance, this wedge actually just about closes. And when the wedge closes, that's when you know you're going to see a spike up or a crackdown. So obviously we get the spike up. We all bought on the break over 494, and it was just history from there. Makes almost, I mean, nearly an 80-cent move up into this area to sell into. It was a beauty. Everyone in the chat room was ready for it, and I was just so hyped for everyone to be able to take advantage of yet another textbook trade. So congrats to everyone on that. The other one we traded as well, HMNY, right off the watch list. Nothing tricky about this. We're just buying this over $8 resistance. This is a historic runner. We initially bought this at 311 for over 311 for a swing. No, that's not a joke. That is a fact. That's true. We really did buy this back here over 311 for a swing before any of this started. Now up over 200% from that area. We've played it probably honestly 10, 12 times on this gigantic run up, all for profits. It's just been amazing. So we bought over $8 again. I alerted this trade live on the voice channel. I was talking with all my members. They could hear me talk my live entries and exits and what I was seeing. We bought over the $8 break, had this nice spike to sell into. Was another awesome, fantastic trade. So anyways, like I said, I just want to make this video mainly just to thank my members for being so awesome. I love working with you guys. You guys are incredible. You guys need to come watch this video of Mike. He's a real guy, real person. This number is significantly higher than 2,500 now. He's been in the chat room about a month now. It's probably double that. But he's just an awesome member, and that's just one example of incredible members that we have in our chat room. Come check out my website, kafinvesting.com. You can see some of the trades we've alerted on. This is what I was telling you. Back on September 15, I alerted Himney for a swing over 310. This is when we got in and ended up hitting 380. Well, yeah, now it's at 960. So we've been banking on this stock for a long time. We wait for A+ setups. So anyways, you can come see some of our track records. You can check out some testimonials here from different members. And obviously, we'd love for you to join us. Come fill us out. Join a chat room. I'm going to be limiting how many people I let enter just so I can keep the tight family type atmosphere. So anyways, members, you guys are awesome. Love making money with you guys. It gets me so hyped when I see you guys profit. It seriously gets me so stoked. That's why I do what I do. And I can't wait to just keep doing this with you guys.